You see, child, love's a funny thing. There's just no sense to it. Fish gotta swim and birds gotta fly. I gotta love one man till I die. Can't help loving that man of mine. Tell me he's lazy, tell me he's slow, tell me I'm crazy, maybe I know. Can't help loving that man of mine.
How come you know that song?
Why, do you know it, Queenie?
Oh, sure I does. Never heard anybody but black people sing that song.
Why?
Sounds funny for Miss Julie to sing it.
Julie sings it all the time.
Can you sing the whole thing?
Of course I can. What's so funny about that? Oh, listen, sister, I love my Mr. Man, and I can't tell you why. There ain't no reason why I should love that man. It must be something that the angels done plan. Fish gotta swim and birds gotta fly. I gotta love one man till I die. Can't help loving that man.